Ice storm warning in effect until 4 a.m. Sunday. For Marion and Morrow counties, the National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect until 4 a.m. Sunday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Ice accumulations, around 1/4 inch of ice, is expected by 4 a.m. Freezing rain will continue to 4 a.m. and then change to snow. Significant amounts of ice accumulation will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. Winds, northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Temperatures falling to 20 to 25. Now looking at the weather